Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Now when I say recliner, I know a lot of you guys think of objects and pieces of furniture like this. You have the 1970s vibes in your head. It reminds me just of, what was that show? All in the Family, right? With Archie Bunker always in his recliner. But listen, recliners are still here. They're not orange anymore. They are in beautiful colors, beautiful shapes, and this video is all about how to decorate using a recliner or decorate around a recliner. I hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments section how many of you all still have recliners. You guys, my husband just got one and I am like, eesh. Wasn't really part of my decor style. So I made this video for myself as well as you. Like I said, I hope you enjoy it and I will pop back in at the end. So question of the day, do you have a room that currently has a recliner? If so, how have you decorated around it? Do you try to make it blend in? Do you let it stand out? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, don't forget to check out one of these videos posted right here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the next one. Have a great day, friends.